Imagine standing beside Yucca, a woolly mammoth, under a sky so cold the air sparkles. That deep freeze? It lasted until about 10,000 years ago, a glacial period. Glacial just means frozen. Today, I live in an interglacial, inter meaning between, one of the warmer swings. Over the last 450,000 years, Earth's climate has swung like a pendulum. Glacials. Interglacials. In an interglacial, permanent ice hugs the poles. In a glacial, ice spreads far south from the Arctic. In a glacial, ice spreads far north from Antarctica. Zoom out even more, and you hit ice ages. Long stretches when the pendulum keeps swinging between cold glacials and warmer interglacials. But not always. There were super warm eras with no permanent ice anywhere. One ice age that began around 850 million years ago may have gone full snowball Earth, with ice covering nearly everything. How do we know? Clues are scattered across the planet. In California, giant boulders sit where no local rock could have birthed them. They're drop-offs from ancient glaciers. Rivers of ice grind downhill, carrying rocks like slow-motion freight. When the ice melts, the cargo stays. Sometimes the rocks are scratched, glacial striations, scored by other stones dragged along the ice conveyor belt. We also find fossils of cold-loving plants and animals in places that are warm today. Pollen, the planet's tiny time stamps. In a New Zealand peat bog, a scientist pulled up a core, layered history, oldest at the bottom, preserved where oxygen is scarce and decay slows. The deepest layer formed 237,000 years ago. By sorting pollen through the core and matching each plant to the climate it prefers, he reconstructed ancient weather, step by step, to today. Past to present, the message is clear. Earth breathes in ice and out warmth, on rhythms larger than a lifetime. Stone, ice, fossils, a grain of pollen.